Providing the power behind the scenes on the iPhone 6 Plus is a 1.39 GHz dual-core A8 processor with 64-bit architecture and 1 GB of RAM. That may not sound like a great deal of grunt, especially when you consider devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Alpha and Huawei Mate 7 Sport octa-core chips, but Apple does a good job of deeply integrating iOS with the internal components of its devices. I ran Geekbench 3 a number of times on the iPhone 6 Plus and it averaged a score of 2,890, beating the iPhone 5s, 2,540, as well as the older LG G3, 2,561, and Sony's Xperia Z2, 2,765. That's a strong performance and puts it among the scores achieved by the Samsung Galaxy S5, HTC One M8 and OnePlus One. In short, there's more than enough power housed inside the iPhone 6 Plus. Unsurprisingly, it's since been topped by the likes of the iPhone 6s Plus, Samsung Galaxy S6 and Sony's Xperia Z5, but these are much newer handsets. In day-to-day usage I found the 6 Plus ran pretty smoothly, but it's not quite as quick as some of the top Android handsets on the market. Every now and then the iPhone would pause for thought ever so briefly. It wasn't long enough to cause any issues, but it was long enough for me to notice from time to time. Early issues with app crashes and bugs appear to have been fixed with iOS 8.1.1 and above, with everything now running far more smoothly. Graphically intensive games loaded up in good time and gameplay was smooth throughout, and Real Racing 3 is now working correctly after early issues with the original software. The iPhone 6 Plus, at 64 GB capacities and above, comes pre-installed with a variety of Apple's own apps, most of which you can actually delete, which is good as it would be annoying if you knew you were never going to use them. Among the applications here are some new and updated faces, including Health and Apple's now free-of-charge productivity apps, all of which can be deleted if you so wish, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, iTunes U, iMovie and GarageBand.